Hi, I'm Lauren, your OSHA expert, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 key metrics that will help you understand your visibility on the PSO control panel. So when you head over to the PSO tab, you'll see these 3 markers right here: best ranking, best progress, and downward trend. But what do they mean? So best ranking is kind of exactly as it says. It's where your podcast is doing the best, what keyword is doing the best for your podcast. So here you can see for podcast production tips, our podcast, our in-house podcast tips, is ranking number 1 on Apple. And you can see that because of the little Apple logo right there. Next, the best progress shows which keyword has seen the biggest climb or how many positions you've gained in search rankings over the last week. So here you can see on Spotify, given the little green symbol, the keyword for podcast recording has gone up 2 positions. So the best progress is showing which keywords are on an incline. Now, the downward trend is the exact opposite, which keywords are on a decline. And so these will show if your podcast is having a keyword that's gone down over the past 7 days. It will show it right here in the downward trend. So I hope this explains a little bit better, and happy podcasting.